Hey guys, quick update. Wait, do you hear that? I think things are looking up. Sorry if I look like a divorced dad, by the way. First of all, thank you from the bottom of my heart to everyone that's donated to the GoFundMe so far. We're almost halfway there, and I just can't say thank you enough. 57 people have donated at the making of this video, so I'll show them all on the side here. Again, thank you so much. I made a community post saying I went after the thieves that stole my stuff. So, what happened? Well, around 6 PM, I got a notification on my phone that my Samsung earbuds were pinged very close to where I live, at a football field. These Samsung buds were in the bag of mine that got stolen with the laptop and everything else, so we were hoping that we'd find at least some of the stuff. So me and my girlfriend hopped right in the car and drove straight there. The ping kept changing locations, but eventually it stopped at an address literally 3 streets away from where I live. So we called the police, and we showed them where the ping ended, and eventually they opened the door. Now the guy that lived there had the following story. He said that he went canoeing in our local river, and that he found the bag stranded nearby. He then went home afterwards, he put the bag in the washing machine, and he put everything that was still in the bag in a bag of rice. Now I personally don't buy that story for a single second, because when he handed all the stuff over to me, everything was just drenching wet, except for the Samsung earbuds. Now if the bag with all the stuff inside was found in a river, sure, everything would be wet, but why would the Samsung earbuds that were in the bag be completely dry and working? Now, the stuff that's in the rice bag is only a portion of what was originally in the bag, and unfortunately, the laptop was not there. But again, why would somebody steal a 5-year-old tablet, but not a $100 mouse and phone? And then he did steal my microphone and external SSD, but not the bag itself? I don't know, it's just way too fishy in my opinion. Anyways, the police searched his house, but they did not find anything else. Now, he did have stolen items in his possession, so he's not in the clear yet. But then again, I live in the Netherlands, which is a bureaucratic nightmare, and this kind of stuff usually just goes nowhere. Either way, I did get back some of my stuff, but unfortunately, the most expensive thing, my laptop, is probably very much gone. Now sure, it is possible that the guy just found this bag in the river somewhere, maybe the thieves dumped it on their way or something, but the time frames just don't add up to me. Now on a more positive note, I am gonna try to edit that G-Helper video that I was making, so that I at least have some content coming up. And we are very close to our goal on that GoFundMe campaign, so maybe I can buy a laptop soon. Again, thank you so much to everyone that's commented, donated, and all the nice stuff that you guys have been saying. I feel extremely lucky to have such a loving community, and I can't thank you guys enough. And that is pretty much it. I'll see you guys later. Oh, and to the guy that has my laptop,
Zuig mijn lul, anusklier.